Tons of breaking news today, but probably none as big as JP Morgan allowing Bitcoin ETFs as loan collateral. Why, you may ask? And that's because currently there's $120 billion worth of liquidity stuck in Bitcoin ETFs, and that number is only growing. If borrowing power increases for the private sector and individuals like yourself and me, that's just better for the economy overall. Borrowing against your assets is nothing new, but unlocking the Bitcoin liquidity is great for all our alt bags and all our meme bags. And companies, watch out, because Jamie Dimon has finally flip-flopped into the positive side for Bitcoin. Chase holds $4 trillion underneath management, which can spell not doom and gloom for other companies, but they're going to eat a lot of the market share once this is activated. Which means companies that do offer ETFs versus ones that don't, Coinbase, can lose market share. And that's happening. We can see right now that Robinhood has flipped Coinbase. And that's because Robinhood allows ETF trading alongside meme coins and cryptocurrency, whereas Coinbase just allows plain old crypto. And the reason that Robinhood even flipped Coinbase is because Robinhood allows their users to participate in IPOs, just like Circle just IPO'd yesterday to a whopping 300% growth in one day from its IPO. $31 was the share price, is rocketed now to $116. I'm bitter because I missed out due to Robinhood sending out a late email, but for those of you who got in, congrats. Coinbase is losing market share to ETFs and Robinhood because IPOs. They had to do something, and guess what they're doing? They are launching, finally, Fartcoin. Only a year late to the game, but better late than never. Let's go Fartcoin. You know I had to fit in a Fartcoin somewhere within this market update. We talk about it every single update. If you didn't follow my last market update, which is just 2 days ago, the Trump wallet is now suspended because World Liberty Finance, which is, I wouldn't say Trump's specific party, more his son's party, has authorized a cease and desist letter for Magic Eden. Which is funny because the official Trump meme coin put up the website alongside with Magic Eden and verified that, hey, pretty much this is real. But nope, Donald and Eric Trump wants this taken down. Everyone's wondering, why is there infighting with this pops? Well, guess what? One of the World Liberty Fi advisors fires a $1 million short to the Trump meme coin right after the cease and desist letter. With 10x leverage on the hype and down 10% on the day, that advisor came out pretty sweet. Although the Trump meme coin management is affected, Donald Trump could probably care less. He made $1 billion with cryptocurrency within just the last 9 months. In fact, they're deploying the Sailor strategy, the Bitcoin treasury strategy, looking to raise $2.3 billion, but nope, they upped that to $12 billion. So either way, the Trump family is winning through shorting, insider trading, meme coins, Bitcoin treasury, you name it. They got it all in the bag. In non-Trump news though, strategy of course can't be outdone. He's raising his offering from $250 million to $1 billion, who's offering this new stock that provides 10% yield, but is not to buy Bitcoin specifically, it's also to pay down debt. With all this pro-Bitcoin news and US debt soaring, there's no reason not to be bullish on Bitcoin for the rest of 2025. Of course, I have to touch on the Elon and Trump breakup, the hot mess on Twitter. If you didn't know, Elon and Trump just pointing fingers at each other. Not crypto related, but the crypto markets are responding to putting out polls, which you can bet in with cryptocurrency, whether Elon Musk should be removed as a Tesla CEO because the stock price dumped, but have since rebounded. And if Trump should be suspended from X because Elon owns X, he could suspend Trump immediately, which he probably won't do. In either case, when markets are choppy like this, I turn to digital assets like NFTs to have a ton of fun. And to wrap things up, Moonbirds, the new owner Spencer is doing a lot of new things with it. Some speculate a token launch, but he just started reactivating the community with Telegram with 6x the community members joining from the old community. He's looking to grow the IP and grow products with IP, so people are excited about this brand overall. Price is holding steady with a 4x from the bottom. We will keep you apprised if they are going to launch a token. Bullish news all around. Things are bubbling up everywhere. Listings on Coinbase, NFTs popping, rotation into different plays. If you want to know what we're buying and selling, click on the link down below. We go over that on a daily with our private community. Regardless, subscribe and follow along because we have 3 market updates for you weekly, podcasts, amazing guests for you guys. So stay safe out there. We'll see you guys on the next one.